Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon, Jimmy Sequence. We're actually having the McIntosh Vernon family reunion today. I'm getting ready to go pick up my dad. I'm going to vlog the reunion scene. So it's the McIntosh / Vernon family reunion. I'm taking this car to the reunion. This is what I'm driving. So that's the machine that I'm taking to the reunion. I'm gonna pick up my dad. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my dad and the rest of my family, because so it should be a lot of family members there. We're going to TY Park in Hollywood. So yeah, pulling out from my house, my dad, and get going. Yeah. Put on my seatbelt right now. First, I gotta stop by McDonald's and get some ice. Cause my sister asked for me to pick up some ice. Machine sound nice. Nice morning. It should be a very nice day, actually. Machine around 100 and all. Sweet. Last night I went to Port St. Lucie to Pure Vibe, my brethren Pure Vibe party. Came back home with like 0 gas. I forgot that I didn't have gas. So let me pull into this gas station and get gas, because I'm not trying to run out of gas. That wouldn't be a good look. No car wash. No, I need more gas than $23. Come on, man. Yeah, the reunion is in Hollywood, which is about 20 minutes from here. But I gotta pick up Dad first and then we'll head out. So I'll just show you until I pick up Dad and then we'll kinda pick up when we get to the park, you feel me? Yeah, so right now I'm in my area. I guess that's it. $36? $37? That's good. I don't think that's it, but whatever. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I'm wearing the family reunion shirt. I'll show you. We have the way my son actually arranged this with a few of his cousins, and they chose colors. So my son Sean Vernon, they chose different colors. So the color for my mom is blue. Anita, she passed away sadly, but yeah, the color for her kids. So me and all of my siblings, my kids, my brother's kids, my siblings' kids will all be wearing blue. And as we get there, we'll see other family members. They have different colors for every other family member. So my grandmother had 10 kids that were alive when I was born. I think she had two before that died before we were born. So of the 10, my mom had 5 kids, and all 5 of us will be there, and we'll be wearing blue. And then all of our kids and grandkids, all of our kids and my mom's grandkids will be wearing blue. So that's our color. I'll show it to you guys in detail. And then, like I said, the other family members will be wearing different colors. So we're gonna go and try to have fun. Play domino, hang out, cook. Yeah, just try to make it a fun day. And you guys will get to meet my sister, my famous younger sister, Jackie Vernon, from the Inside Out School of Etiquette. She's making waves all over the place. So proud of my little sister. So you guys will get to meet her for the first time on the channel. I'm sure most of you guys know about her from her channels, but you'll get to see her for the first time on my channel. Yeah, I think I'll put this on both my school channel and my sound system channel, because guess what, it is my life. So I think I should put it on both channels, so both of my audience will actually get to meet my family at the same time. Love driving this car, yo. This car is something else. This car is wicked. car does that to you. Just saying. And here's my son, Mr. Sean Vernon himself. Let me show you the man that put this thing together.
What's up, man?
I'm here. So here's the man, Mr. Sean Vernon, that put this whole family reunion thing together.
Hello, people. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. And the whole idea was that Uncle Ansel did this for us, and then it kind of stopped, and we haven't seen each other. Car coming. But like how none of our kids know each other, this is a chance for them to kind of just play and hang out and everything. So
Let me move out the way.
all right, cool. Love y'all.
Tell Dad I'm here, Sean. Yeah.
I wanted to drive the Mini today. I got to drive the truck. I'm going to go pick up the cooler now.
Oh yeah. You get the speaker?
No, I'm going to grab it now. I didn't know if you came for Grandpa now or not.
I came from Grandpa now. Come, Landy, come introduce yourself to the camera.
She said, look at my Grandpa.
So this is my first granddaughter. That is Sean's daughter. London.
Hi.
And look, let me show them the shirt. So this is the shirt. This is my grandmother, Zilla. And where's my mom? This is my mom right here. Uncle Winston, Auntie Pat, Uncle Pepper, Auntie Goody, Uncle Ansel, Millicent, Auntie Millicent, Auntie B, Auntie Joyce, and Auntie Lalda. That's the family. So, and here's my pops coming out. So he'll be riding with me. You driving the truck to the park, Sean?
Yeah, because I got to pick up the grill.
Oh.
A couple of things. Plus, I got these things.
Oh, okay. You gotta pick up the grill from Chris?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought he's not out there yet?
No, he went to go pick up the charcoal and stuff like that. Philip had an on-call thing, so
So Philip can't come?
he's coming, but he had to go do work. So we got to get the grill out there now. So
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put
All right.
that together.
You talked to Snappy?
No, I didn't talk to anybody but Auntie Karen and Auntie Bobby.
Oh, okay.
So, and Philip
You don't?
and Chris.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, so this is the Sean with the
Grandpa, I got this
other
storage.
driving school car.
I got the parking spot. I'm parking it there tomorrow.
So this is my business. This is one of the cars from the business as well. It's gonna be on the driving school channel, so you guys know about it, but I'm gonna put it on the other channel too. So yeah, this is the car that my son uses to teach people to drive. You know. And this is my pops right here. Pops, what's up? Say hi to the camera because you're gonna be on YouTube.
Hey guys, this is his dad,
Yeah.
the crazy one.
No, the good one. So yeah, you see all of us, like I said, we're all wearing blue because that's the blue that represents Anita, which is my mom. So this is Dad. And then there's 5 of us with all of our grandkids, our kids and grandkids. So
Yep.
we're gonna be doing the blue family. What's the well? You will see the other families once we get there. The
so
other
I'll send you a
colors.
picture so you can post it. But there's 10 children.
I already said that. So we'll see the different
Yeah,
colors.
it's 10 different colors: green, white, silver, gold.
Okay, we'll see the
red,
colors.
blues.
But yeah, we're the blues. So like I said, I'm picking up my Dad. So now we're heading out to the park.
Yes.
And I'll pick it up once we get there.
Hey, Dad, you blue from head to toe.
I'm telling you, man, this
To the
man,
car, all the way to the car.
this man is something
All
else.
the way to the car.
Blue.
Blue.
In the blue car.
Blue.
Hey, Grandpa, you riding with the blue?
Yeah, I'm riding with
Yeah, that's funny because honestly, I did not know about the colors. I know they were choosing colors, but I didn't know that we had our color was blue, right? I just went to Macy's and I decided to buy blue shorts. I had these blue, Adidas before, so I didn't know anything about the color, and I just happened to pick up almost the exact blue. It's just like, it really was not something that I knew about. It just happened. So I guess you could say my intuition is turned all the way up, I suppose. So yeah, that's what's up. All right, so we're gonna cut for now, and then we're going to pick up once we get to the park. So me and my dad will be riding. Mr. Vernon.
Just keep it in the trunk or no?
No, I have a cooler in the trunk.
All right, I'll put it in the trailer.
This man is blue till he came blue. That is great, man. That is great. Blue car.
Blue everything. See, even the car matches like
I'm
almost
joining the Blue
perfectly.
Crew.
Sean.
I'm gonna be joining your Blue Crew soon, Dad.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be buying ice.
Ice? Okay.
I guess I need to stop at McDonald's to buy ice.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab Chris Grill because he said he's gonna put it outside.
All right,
So I'm
all right,
gonna leave, like, in the next couple minutes.
all right. So I'll see you there.
All right, drive safe.
All right, cool. All right, so that's it for now. I'll catch you guys when we get to the park. All right. All right, so we're finally at the correct park. Now we're at CB Smith Park. Initially, I went to TY Park because that's what my son talked about earlier when he first started to plan this thing. So now I am at CB Smith Park. This is a park that we used to keep a lot of big shows in back in the days, back in the 80s, 90s. We did a lot of big reggae shows over in this park. This park is actually quite nice. So yeah, this is where we're at. TY Park, well, CB Smith Park. So I got to pay again.
That's what I said, man.
It's a good thing the park them they're expensive.
I'm telling you. That kind of look like your grandson.
No.
Yeah.
Ian?
Yeah.
No, that's not Ian. Ian has a 550. Yeah, Ian have a 550. Ian a big bike, yeah. Much faster than that.
That is mom.
Cheryl have a 300. We good? Alright, cool. Thank you, bud. I don't know why we're good. Somebody might have paid for us. I don't know who that is.
He just decided that it's
That could be Ian. No, that's not Ian.
No, that's not it. But yesterday, that's what he drives when he come by the house.
Yeah, that's what he's driving. That's his car. Yeah, you see this park is much bigger. Much
Yeah.
more. You see that?
Yep.
Look at the size of that thing. That's really. Yeah, this park is something else. They have the amphitheater and everything. It's big. Oh yeah, this park is huge. I tell you, we used to do a lot of big things over here. It has like an actual amphitheater, so that's not our group. Ain't nobody there yet. 11, 12, 13 has to be over here.
Had to be that one, innit?
Have to be that one, yes.
Yeah.
See the people in the blue.
Blue clothes people there. And there's another blue clothes people again.
There's my sister Jackie. So that's two of my sister's cars. They're here setting up. Okay, so here's my clan.
Oh Lord, he done started.
This is my clan. Let me introduce the blue clan. This is my auntie Veronica, and you see she's wearing gray. She's from another clan, but she's the closest to our clan. This is my sister, Jackie, the big superstar.
Good to see you all. Pay attention to your etiquette.
Okay. Nigel, yeah, so good boy. So this is my brother-in-law, Nigel. Yeah. And my sister, Karen. See, they doing the do. Michaela, come say hi to the camera. So that is my sister Jackie's daughter. So yeah, we're gonna be vlogging the whole day, right? So I'm gonna catch when people come, we'll be catching that part. And see, we have board games. We have domino. We're gonna be doing domino board game. We have coins. See, I bought another cooler if y'all need it. We have corn and we have watermelon and I can't have that. I can't have the music while I'm vlogging because I don't want to get copyright. I gotta turn that out. I gotta cut that part out. Jackie. Who? So this is my cousin Chrissy Boo.
What's going on? What's
He's
going
the
on?
chef. He's the chef.
Time to turn up.
Yeah, he's doing all of the.
What are you doing?
Yeah, Chris is doing all the cooking. So that is our parking lot right here. Okay, so let me go back and do the intros again. So this is my auntie Goody, Veronica, Nigel, Karen. Jackie, where's Jerome?
He'll be here.
Oh, okay.
The car full of them coming.
Juliet.
All the stuff is we had to take 2 cars. This car full of stuff. I'm so
You're not gonna be acting shy because we're YouTubers. That's what we did. That's what we did.
It shows your cuteness, girl. You don't want to show your cuteness?
You're
You're
supposed,
the same person that said, do we look cute?
you're supposed to be hyped for the camera. What you doing? Being shy. We don't do shy around here. Right, Jackie?
Absolutely not.
Oh, okay. There we go, Chris with the buckets of everything.
What you need, Chris? You need help with anything? You got the ice? Okay, let's go help Chris.
Y'all buy coolers for $50. I get these for $9.99. Top and bottom in the big.
Yeah, but that don't keep ice like that. Coolers keep ice.
The coolers.
Coolers serve a purpose.
He's a hood rat. Leave him alone. He's a hood rat. Oh, I hope this day stays like this. Oh, this is the one Nola said she did.
Yeah, the mini, Chris mini.
Chris, open the trunk.
when you're vlogging, you're vlogging.
I
You
need
vlog.
you to turn it up.
You vlog. You vlog everything.
You're gonna
You
have to edit some
No,
of this.
we're gonna edit the stuff that needs to be edited. We're not gonna edit people out that's just being awkward. Right, Chris?
Yeah.
If you're awkward, you're gonna be on camera being awkward. Bring that pot, right?
Now wait till the burner come. I'm
Okay.
gonna cook the rice here.
What are you guys playing?
Uno. Jackie, you don't have
Uno.
no two? Or a yellow?
Plus, that thing is about to get me.
You don't have a yellow?
You know, I never actually learned how to play Uno.
How? Did you say that with a
Match the color and number. That's how.
I said that just as clearly as I wanted to. I don't know how to play Uno. I never cared.
Is that 6 or 9? I love my brother.
I don't understand how you all are playing. So
If you look, she have blue. She have a blue 6, so she put a blue 3 too. As long as it's
so I have
Green 3.
what you got? Aren't you gonna
So this
stop
is
telling the
Londi
story?
right here, my granddaughter,
so I can put all the greens down.
sister,
No, on 3.
sister's daughter,
Go.
and my auntie. I think I'm just gonna have to vlog knowing that the music is gonna be there and I'm not gonna make no money from it. I guess. So Mr. Christopher, the chef, chefing it up. And here's, so that's your fiance and who, one of your daughters?
No, that's her daughter. My baby's in the car.
Okay, you have a new baby, I heard. Nigga.
10 months. What was I thinking?
So yeah, Chris is from another family member. So my uncle Winston is Chris's grandfather. So they're red. So that leg of the McIntosh family is wearing red. So this is Chris's fiance and her daughter.
Yeah, my daughter.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chris' fiance, Carnisha, and this is my oldest, Nikema.
Okay, cool. Nice to meet you guys.
Likewise, nice to meet you.
All right.
The baby, she sleeps, so.
Oh yeah, Chris told me about the new baby. I'll put her on camera whenever she wakes up.
Okay.
All right. So Chris have chicken like crazy everywhere. Grill there, grill there. 2 big grills over here. Yes, sir.
6, look.
Alex, did you have to pay for my thing? Or you just Oh, nice.
All right, so I have some of my family members showing up, cousins. So this is Auntie B's leg of the family, and their color is purple. And this is my cousin Brittany in the purple, and her 2 daughters. That's the purple group. Some say hi to the camera, young man. Young man.
Alex, my dog.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Respect. Didn't I see Philip pull up?
Wait, Messi, come over here. Come here. You don't remember Auntie Jackie?
Brittany,
Oh, she's like, oh,
She want to play jump rope.
Mama,
didn't Philip just pull up?
yeah, he did.
Oh, okay.
Get one. That's why they're there for y'all to have fun. And there's popsicles over here if you want popsicles. Your hair is so pretty. Their hair is so pretty. You got
Where's your sister? I don't know.
Which color do you want, baby?
What's up, cuz? So that's my cousin Philip from the purple side of the family, Auntie B's people. So again, my grandmother Zilla. Let me go through them. This is Zilla, my grandmother. So all of her kids, these are her kids. This is Auntie Goody right here. This one right here is Auntie Goody. So Uncle Hansel, Millicent, Auntie B, Joyce, Lalda, my mom, Uncle Hansel, Auntie Pat, Uncle Pepper. So all of her kids will be wearing gray. The ones,
Winston.
Uncle Winston. The ones that are still alive will be wearing gray. How many are alive? 6, right? 5?
6.
6 out of 10 alive.
No, man.
5 out of 10 alive. So they will be wearing gray.
No.
And
Millicent, that goes.
oh well, we'll see when she comes. I'll see. But yeah, so far, my mom, which is the blue group, is here, and Auntie B's group in the purple is here. So that's it so far. And Chris is here with his family, which is Uncle Winston's side of the family. They are red. Who else is coming from Uncle Winston's side? Warren is coming. Steve is not coming. Okay. That thing is too big. It fell through.
Oh, good.
Oh, the grill is too big?
No, not really. It's just... Oh, that's good.
It's still good.
It's still good. Let's go. I'll let it cook a little longer before I flip it. Let it firm up.
Burgers on the grill. Corns on the grill. You know how that is.
Play like that though. It's 40%.
So another family members group is showing up in green. The 2 of my cousins are here in green. The Auntie Pat's group. What's up, rude boy? Yeah, so Auntie Pat's group is in the green. And this is my niece, Nia, in the blue.
You remember Makara?
Hey, young man, say hi to the camera.
Hello. I need a white shirt, but I'm
Now,
also
you're in the right shirt. You're wearing green.
Green and white.
I'm green and white.
So he decided to go with green.
Okay.
That's your grandma, your sister. And she made everybody out here.
She's responsible for everybody out here. Bob, you want to be a diamond here? Come on. Okay, so let's. I'm saying it's kind of weird to play domino on this long ass table. That we're gonna be sitting side by side. I guess we just have to sit like that. Let's get a little game going. Who playing? Who playing? Nigel, you playing? You don't play domino, do you?
I cannot.
We're not all we're matching. Who else playing? Flip! Come play some domino star. Yeah. Come play some domino. They make this blue for now. Somebody needs to bring it down to the Baron's kind of. I don't know if you hear it. Flip, sit down over there, sir. You have to be over there so you don't look at Dad's hand.
34 people. You asked me to say 34 people.
Double six.
It's not fun when
Where you want to put this?
Oh,
I turned it on.
Boss? Say it loud, dude. I passed too. So did I. Brittany, you need to win out. The Pops is winning now.
Move that table down.
Yeah.
Let me call Byron.
He's on his way already.
He's on his way.
Yeah, I think so. But he asked me.
Where's the music?
And there's all kind of music here. I need no more.
The night before his first day back.
I'm looking at that thing too.
Hey, Sean. Are you in charge of the music?
This is water.
Are you in charge of the music?
Yeah, my phone is playing.
Oh.
Alright, Gary, my phone is playing. Alright, just let me know. If it's out of the way, just let me know something.
Where's Gary at now?
It's like 8 minutes away.
Oh, okay.
Just trying to see if there's a Walmart around here.
Walmart. There
Well,
is.
volleyball. The only one I know is with Orange.
Dude, don't we have enough things here where you gotta go buy a volleyball?
Is there somebody on the way?
If y'all told me, I would have brought one.
I don't need to buy no damn volleyball. Look at how many games over there.
Your post spot.
Brittany, your time.
Are we playing primary?
Yeah.
I don't know how to play primary. I don't know how to play cutthroat.
Lowe's knows how to set off your July 4th with savings. Right now, buy one, get one free on select one-coat coverage interior paint via Visa gift card rebate. Plus, get two select 2 or 2.5 quart red, white, and blue annuals for just $10. Hurry, these July 4th deals won't last long. Lowe's, we help, you save. Valid through 7/9. Selection varies by location. While supplies last, excludes Alaska and Hawaii. More terms and restrictions apply. See Lowe's.com/rebates for more details.
Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Is it 18 and over? Hey. Won't you go home to your mama? Your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be my lover. To be from a lover. Whoa, you must be 18 and over.
I just want to fly below. You guys like this?
I've been checking you out, what you are too young. And a girl like you will cause worries into my world.
I'm sure.
Yes, if I be Talking to you, Sandra, Sandra, talking to you, Sharma, Sharma, too young to be my lover.
Show me the thing. So we broke our stars are 1 1 2.
Your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, check me 2 years later.
Yeah, we're gonna talk to that dashboard.
Check me 2 years later. Some of them are talk about the champion bubble.
Breeze is blowing that way, so yeah.
Too young to be my lover. Too young to be my lover. So girl, won't you go home to your sister, go home to your papa, your brother, and go home to your auntie, go home to your uncle, I can't love you, oh, I can't love you. Can't you see, you can't love me, you're too young, can't you see, and your mama won't agree, and your papi don't want to see you loving me. Go home to your mama, go home to your papa, go home to your sister not too young to be a lover. The love you just need to be later. You're too young to be my lover. Talking to your Sandra, talking to your Shama, when I see you. Too young to be my lover. Too young to be my lover, my lover. Too young to be my lover, my lover. I just cannot take over. What can take control of your daughter?
Which one do you want? Pops, you only have one?
Turn like this.
That's not good. Pops, I'm enough in it, Pops. Brittany, you the only one to have play?
But I don't know. I might put a rest. It's 8.
Don't give one. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
What do I have? What do I have?
We don't know, but you Good place, even though you ain't know what the hell you did, but you did it. You're close, Philip. You gotta move down so you guys can't look at each other's hands. Exactly, you have it right there, though. You just have it right there. You ain't been trying to hide it.
My grandmother is always calling me.
And to me, right?
What up? We have double blank? Like, I have one. Nobody can beat me. I get the walk inside and over.
Yo, you want a table? Stop it. Stop it. Come on, give me a table.
Yeah, down the down the short, man. You're on camera, dude. So that's my bigger brother right there. That's from the blue crew. Put on your blue shorts, dude. What did that was it? Cut through it is the same, really. Only this time you have to kind of consider your partner, that's all. Yeah. Double six. Because we start over.
You can't do both.
I'm only going to record until we broke it again. Is that how we're going to feel the same? No. We can't record the whole time again.
Hold on. Let's hold on. Here. What do you want? I got you. What do you want? Well, guys, I don't have it.
I know Flip ain't paying attention. Ellie ain't paying attention. I passed Brittany with 4, and you have the opportunity to play double 4, and you win double 5. I have all the 4s in my hand. That's why I was like, you're not paying attention.
So I know some She's truly mine, and most of what she does makes me feel so good inside. Juggle all inside, and I said, oh, she's the right one for me. He made no mistake, and I say this with no apology. Grand, won't you sing about your lady? She's still loving me. Through all the trials and days, still yet she held it down. She still loved me, even though I made her cry. Oh, caused her many sleepless nights. Oh, and I had to make it right.
Two can't lose. What's that about?
She's mine, going lonely. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lead.
What's that record? Damn.
Going lonely. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lead. 'Cause she's truly mine. And most of what she does makes me feel so good inside. Someone to look for me. He made no mistake.
Let me go 2 ways to win. If I win, I can't win here.
What happened to the domino table? I thought y'all was bringing one.
Hey, what's up, cuz?
I thought Sean and them was
All right, thank you. All right, we got 13. Thank you. All right, later.
Yeah, I'm not getting this not nice because the table is not good.
Take one more.
What you listen to on your run, on your road trip, your kids' graduation song, your wedding dance,
You guys have what?
your retirement party. The soundtrack of your life changes as your life does. Just like a financial plan from Northwestern Mutual, it's a better way to money. Our financial advisors get to know you better. They meet you where you are and help you get where you want to go. Let's get started at nm.com. The Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Shop
This is my nephew, my son Ian right here. He's supposed to be in the blue shoe. You're on camera. Oh!
to smart refrigerators. Upgrade to 10 with Samsung.
So he's from the blue crew.
Simplify your routine. Don't miss 4th of July appliance savings at the Home Depot. Free delivery on appliance purchases of $396.
When you left, he was born around that time.
Wow, so he's looking at
Yeah.
Level 6.
Yo, you's a pioneer, you old.
everybody.
That they are with you, shall free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe they don't like you. Why try to make I am happy? Really, I don't know. If you don't have to say, my friend, we would never see the sun on this world. Through that mystical communication within, we keep on coming together. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be. Contrary, stop tearing down each other. Only Rasta free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute that they are with you. Shall free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute that they are with you. After that good, you must be living like they want you to. Yeah, I say, other dances must be different. That's not no feel the same way.
He is the original domino expert. He was Byron. Them two is professional. I play Lisa.
Don't let them fool you. Don't believe that they are with you. Just free the people. Don't let them fool you.
Okay, so introduce yourself to the camera. So this is Pat from Uncle Hanson's side, the white shirt. Like you see. What's Antoinette?
Antoinette is in Orlando. She's not coming. He's gonna try. He tried last time and he's gonna try.
Great. Come say hi to the camera. Don't mention the camera. The camera is a camera right there.
Don't fail me.
Say hi to the camera.
Stop failing me. I wanna grow up, leave me.
Carrie, don't go that way. Carrie, hello. Why you have to insist to come this way? You went that way?
Y'all purple look nice.
Chanel Vernon.
Y'all don't have
Hey, this ain't my baby, but she cute and she could be. Hi, little missy. Hi,
Yeah, we're the blue shirt style.
That is the way it should be. Not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Look around, we see the people.
Them curls. Thanks.
Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute they don't like you. Free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you.
We'll put it in the garbage. Right here.
Take the bag.
So that's her mom.
No. Come here. Hey, walk us up. Here. Go to the garbage. Fish.
You want soda or something? See how I run over there? Okay, so that's the orange team. That's Uncle Pepper's team. I gotta say it. Uncle Pepper is actually coming in the middle of the This is the nephew Garrett. She has the blue team. The blue team is the biggest team.
Yeah, that's all.
It's either you or dad. Go ahead. That don't have the vibe because you don't have the right table. Extras are coming in the samples. Alright, this is a good vibe. These are the things. Only around like that. It's a decent turn. You know what
Y'all ready? Are y'all ready?
We're gonna play Taboo in a minute.
Not now.
We're recording the domino game.
Oh, okay. I'm just saying. Get ready.
Dina.
Not ready? If y'all not
come
ready,
introduce Uncle Pepper to the camera. So this is my uncle, Asper, and the orange team. Cousin Dina, and the orange team. That's Brittany. Yeah. What's up, dog? Y'all getting something? Young man. What's up? Say hi to the camera. Hey, to the camera. Hey, camera. What's up, Paul? How you doing? So I'm going to give me everything good? Yeah, man. I know you ain't doing it for me as a favor.
What's up, big boy? Yeah, man.
It ain't no coming, it ain't no corner. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Don't be trying
what you was ducked off. Yeah, no, you might have to take a while for it.
Done? Alright, that's not it. So let's see.
We need a table, man.
That was a good 36-minute game.
Back and forth.
Alright, so we actually have more family members here now. So we have the purple team, O'Brien on the purple team. Who are these people on the purple team, O'Brien? This is Auntie B's grandkids on the purple side.
We want to
Purple is kind of big.
Purple growing. Purple growing. Vanessa, how you doing on the purple team?
That's right, purple team. But you see, you guys rule. Look at that. So much blue.
The blue winning right now, but you know it go. Cindy, where's your red shirt, Star?
What's your shirt?
Where's your red shirt, young man?
Gotta search the box. Gotta search the box for your name.
Purple side.
Hey, what's up?
The purple team. Uncle Noel, how you doing?
All right, man. Sure. You look well, man.
Thank you, thank you. Auntie B, what happened to your foot? What happened to you? Yeah, you broke your leg. I didn't. I'm sorry. I didn't. So this is Auntie B. And her team is the purple team.
So we have what? Purple, white,
purple, blue, red.
White, red.
Where's the red?
Red right there.
No, don't talk to him because I was trying to tell him something and he ignored me. No, don't talk to him. I was trying to tell him that you call me his name all the time. No. My face, no. I'm trying to talk to you. No.
Okay, so this is somebody else from the white team. Say hi to the camera.
How you doing?
Blue team is actually dominating the scene.
Yes.
Where is Sage? Hey, you ain't talk to me. What's up?
Say hi to us.
Why you not talking to me?
Give up for her.
Why you not talking to me?
Say hi. You being shy? You being shy? Alright, Dad, you never get on camera. I had to make sure I get you real quick.
I get on camera when I'm vlogging. You know, he's got the red shirt on. Yeah, Uncle Winston's team.
Yeah, we might have to start crip walking this other room. I'm just saying.
That's my daughter, Chanel, the crazy one like myself.
A little bit. The rest of dancer.
Auntie Goody the dancer.
Don't piss me off.
Karen. Make one of these things. I don't really eat them, but I'm hungry. Yeah. Ketchup. A little bit of mustard. Yeah, so that's my older brother Byron on the blue team. The other half of Secret Song, you don't know. Corn's looking good.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.